Terry. It's 1997. We have a little pistol here, 22. It's a nice gun. I think I'm gonna be shooting it today. I'm only gonna be shooting about 5 rounds. It's actually a funny looking gun.
Pretty damn rusted too.
I know. Come on. Be a little closer because this thing doesn't have any range. Get away from my face, man. Alright. Say right here where you were sitting down for that other lever action.
There.
Yeah,
Right here.
5 yards up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, I'd get behind me, Travis. Perfect. Alright, now, take it out. Neither of us have ears, do we?
No.
Alright, back up to where you get me and the
Calm down.
Me
Okay.
and the target.
Sorry, calm down.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Hey, shoot faster. No, I have some fun.
Crap.
And we're out.